owe more on your car than it is worth? That is called being upside down, or having negative equity. Let's break down what it means and how to get out of it. Negative equity simply means your loan balance is higher than your car's actual value. That gap between what you owe and what it is worth is the negative equity. Here's an example. Say you owe $24,000, but your car is only worth $19,000. That means you're $5,000 upside down. It usually happens because cars lose value fast in the first few years, especially with a small down payment or a long loan term. You owe faster than the car depreciates. You've got options. You can pay the balance down faster or refinance to a better rate so more of each payment goes to principal. The one thing to avoid is rolling the negative equity into a brand new loan, which just buries you deeper. Champion Auto Finance can help you refinance or restructure to climb out of negative equity across qualified lenders in New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania. Run your numbers at championautofinance.com or call 732-618-2036.